Good day, and welcome to School of Sacred Sexuality, where you are invited and guided into your sexual nature. As you are, exactly as you are. That's the guidance that we are offering here. And today I want to discuss with you the 1% rule from our school. So sometimes we look at our sexual life and we may not like it so much, or we may feel like, as a lover, I would like to, show up a little better in the lovemaking, So that can feel like a pressure. It can feel like a self-judgment. It can feel a bit challenging. So we say the 1% rule. Can you show up in your lovemaking a little bit more, just 1%, than perhaps the last time you met in lovemaking? And to do that, to show up a little bit more, you stop and notice, where is my breath? Can I follow my breath into my body? Can my body be more present? How can I allow a little bit more feeling myself into the lovemaking? How can I connect a little bit more with myself and with my partner during lovemaking? If I'm a man and I'm struggling with wanting to ejaculate quite soon, can I remember just to stop and pause and breathe and remember that the lovemaking itself is truly enjoyable, not just the ejaculation, and remind myself that the lovemaking itself is the pleasure, not just the end. Like music, it's not just the last note that's pleasurable. We don't just go to the last note, we listen to the song, the whole song. Now, can I remind myself of that? If I'm a woman and I'm struggling to feel or let go or to go into orgasm, can I remind myself to also that it is about this moment and being present in this moment, and that I can feel anything I want. It doesn't just have to be orgasm. It could be tears. It could be laughter. Perhaps I start singing, What wants to be felt today? It's not so much like we all must feel orgasm and what we think that looks like, but what is this lovemaking inviting me to feel? And can I have the courage to feel something maybe unusual? Whatever it is okay. It's all okay. Whatever you want to feel is good, for men and women, of course. So can 1% I allow myself a little bit more today? How I look in your eyes, how I touch your skin. Can my awareness be a 1% more in the tips of my fingers when I behold you, beloved? So that way, perhaps I hope to take a little pressure from you and give you a bit of encouragement. 1%, just 1% today. Can you be a little bit more in your body, in your lovemaking, and turning more into the sexual nature? Yeah. So in your My Sexual Nature journal, there will be a question of what is 1% for you today? And write down, how can you be 1% more in your lovemaking today? And to let you know, this year, 2025, on the 14th of February, I'm going to be sending out templates for My Sexual Nature journal for you to use at home to practice and explore your sexual nature, whether you're working with me directly, whether you're watching me on YouTube, or whether you're joining some of our online or in-person groups. And if you'd like that template, please go to schoolofsacredsexuality.com and sign up to our mailing list, and you will receive that template on the 14th of February. And we can explore deeper together. Such profound blessings on your journey, on the sacred journey to know your sexual nature deeper, however it looks, Open the mind and allow all of it to come to you. Blessings and namaste.